Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we created this kind of example, like having two different functions or two different lambda expression at same place. Okay, that's fine, but sometimes it's required that you have to perform some operation on the result. Yeah, so in that case, you can use and apply. How it works? I have this f1 apply. Okay, so what I'll do, first of all, I'll call f1 then and then on it. Okay, and then what? So it's like you have to read this like this way: f1 perform some operation and then call f2. So f2 will call some operation, and once it's done, simultaneously they will calling apply button, apply method multiple times. So here we will pass that 5. Yep, so we are giving 5, and now what? They will take this input and gives us some output. So let's store this in, or not, let's not store, just print directly. Okay, so it goes like first multiply multiply 5 with 2, and then let's say calculate its square, the result, and then calculate square of the result. Okay, so we are passing 5, it gets multiplied with 2, so we'll get 10, and 10 square becomes 100. So let's see the output. Yep, we are getting 100. Let's change something to, let's say 10. Okay, so 10, or not here, let's change here. Next, so first multiply 10 with 2, that becomes 20, and then calculate square of the result. So 20 square becomes 400. So let's run the code, apply, and there goes 400. So that's how you can perform operation, like chaining kind of happening here. So what we call this function chaining, that's the topic here, function chaining. And we achieve function chaining by using and then. So and then, like one operation is done, and then this happens, and then this happens. So it goes like f1 dot and then next operator, then you can call what you call one more function on that. So and then f2, then and then, and it will take, let's say f3. Let's say we want to change this up, so that's how it goes. And finally we can call apply, and apply takes some input, right? So that's how we can perform function chaining in JDK 8 by using function interface. So that's it about function interface. In next video we'll talk about one next base interface in functional interfaces, that is this supplier. So we will see how to use supplier, and maybe I was thinking before even jumping over to supplier, we should use predicate and or okay, let's discuss in next video. So till then, stay tuned and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.